Hello friends, I'm Rose Oatley, and in this recipe you're going to need some huevos because today we're going to be making my version of huevos rancheros. Huevos rancheros are Mexican eggs smothered in a delicious sauce. So we're going to begin by making our sauce. You're going to need half of an onion cut and diced. I'm also going to be using one whole roma tomato. One jalapeno. I'm going to cut the stem and then cut it in half because I do want to deseed it because I like my salsa nice and mild. I don't like mine too hot. But if you like yours hot, by all means, you can leave the seeds in. To remove them, just use a spoon and remove the vein. I think I'm feeling a little spicy today, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few seeds in here. Here I've got one clove of garlic. Just pound it to remove the skin. We want to cut and finely mince it. In a good sized pan under medium-high heat, we're going to start with some vegetable oil, and I would say probably about 4 tablespoons or so. Now we're ready to add everything we cut up into our pan. You want to mix it for a few minutes. You're going to start noticing everything soften up, which is what we want, and the tomatoes are going to start releasing its juices. I haven't even put spices in here, and the aroma is already there. By the way, I have my temp set at a number 6 right now, but feel free to play with your temp as needed. Turning my temp down to a number 4, I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes to continue softening. If you notice, it already started releasing some of its juices, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon or to your taste. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of cumin. Since I have very few seeds in here for my jalapeno, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of pepper. Next, we're going to be adding some tomato sauce. Now, I like to add about 4 tablespoons, but if you wish to add more, you can. I'm adding half a cup of water. Now, you can substitute it with vegetable broth as well, but for me, the water works just fine. Let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. It's been simmering for 5 minutes, and these are times when I wish you guys could smell because it is smelling so good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside so we can start on our eggs. Using a separate pan, I've got about half a tablespoon of butter in here, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil. For this part, there's different ways that you can make your eggs. You could either make them sunny side up, or you can make them over easy. I personally like mine over easy, so that's what we're going to do with mine. We want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Flip them over and let them cook for a few minutes. Now, some people like to make them with a homemade tostada on the bottom, which you can if you like, but for me personally, I like them without the tostada. I say try them both ways. Before adding your sauce, add a little bit of chopped cilantro, give it a mix, and now another quick note, you can also make your eggs directly in your sauce if you'd like. I like to make mine separately because when you think about it, everyone likes their eggs different. Once you plate your eggs, you can add all of the sauce you want on top. Huevos rancheros are usually smothered in sauce. Serve them with refried beans and a few tomato slices on the side. Please help me out by giving this a like and sharing with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.